हाँ जी गाइस, तो वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इंडिया रीड्स। हाँ जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टुडे इज योगा डे, सो हैप्पी योगा इंटरनेशनल डे। तो एज यू नो दैट yesterday we have discussed about two tenses. So today we are going to discuss future indefinite tense. So let's start. Future indefinite tense or future indefinite tense, or it's known as simple future. हाँ जी, तो let's discuss about its symptoms, or we have to say that identity. I will tell you its identity, how you will know about the tense that it's a future indefinite tense. इसकी रेको के लिए वर्ड बताऊंगी मैं आपको, जिसके पीछे आएगा गाइस गा गे गी। वह पुस्तक पढ़ेगी, वह मंदिर जाएगी, वह बाजार जाएगा, वह क्रिकेट खेलेगा, जिसके पीछे साउंड आती है गा गे गी। इट्स नोन एज फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस। गा गे गी। हाँ जी। नाउ तो which verb we have to use? Same. As you know that in future indefinite we have to use first verb, and with singular things we also have to use is or is. And in past indefinite we have to use second verb, and now again in future indefinite we have to use first verb. But remember, not only first verb, we have to also use will or shall with it. See, ga ge gi, we have to use will, shall plus first verb. Now I will tell you where we have to use will and where we have to use shall. We have to use shall with I and we only. You have to use shall. I shall or we shall. With others, we have to use will only. But guys, if you want to ignore shall, then you can ignore it, and with all things you can use only will. But you can't use shall for other things. If you want to use shall, then you can use only with I and we. But if you want to ignore shall, then with all things, means with I or we also, you can use will. Will plus first verb. If you want to use shall, then two things are here. One is I and one is will. Understood? हाँ जी. See its example. गीता पत्र लिखेगी. गीता पत्र लिखेगी. हाँ जी. तो as I told you yesterday, SVO. We have to use three things. SVO. S means subject, V means verb, and O means object. So see, firstly Geeta is our subject, so we have to use Geeta. हाँ जी. After that we will use first verb, but we have to use will or shall. Firstly see, it's not I and it's not we, so we have to use will. Geeta will. लिखने की इंग्लिश क्या हो गई? Write. And write is first verb. Write, wrote, written. तो गीता will write. पत्र की इंग्लिश क्या होगी? Letter. गीता will write a letter. तो ये हमारा कौन सा टेंस बन गया? फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट. गीता पत्र लिखेगी. गागेगी. You have to use will or shall. But if we want to ignore shall, we can use will only with all things, like Geeta will, first verb is write. Geeta will write a letter. Understood? हाँ जी. Next, वह फुटबॉल खेलेंगे. वह फुटबॉल खेलेंगे. They, हाँ जी. We have to use will or shall. Understood? We will use will. They will. they will play football. See next. हाँ जी, see next. मैं इस साल नई कार खरीदूंगा. मैं इस साल नई कार खरीदूंगा. तो मैं की इंग्लिश क्या होगी? I. Now I told you that with I or we you can use shall, but it's your own wish. You can shall as well as you can also use will. तो I shall, either you can use will, but one thing we have to use either shall or will. I shall buy a, हाँ जी, नई कार. नई कार क्या हो गई? न्यू कार. I shall buy a new car इस साल, this year. I will buy या I shall buy a new car this year. हाँ जी, buy is first verb. Buy, bought, bought. It's a first verb. One thing more I want to tell you for your knowledge. See, it's a buy, it's a bought, and it's also bought. See guys, as you know, buy is the first verb. Buy, bought, bought, and it's a second verb, and it's a third verb. Suppose guys, किसी जगह पर आपको आ जाता है I bought a car. तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? How you will come to know that it's a second verb or it's a third verb? How you will come to know that bought is a second verb or a third verb? As you know that buy, bought, bought, it's a second verb, it's also a third verb. But if somebody will ask you this question, then tell me it's a second verb or it's a third verb. तो आपका रिप्लाई क्या होगा? ये सेकंड वर्ब है या थर्ड वर्ब है? आप लोग बोलोगे दोनों ही हैं जी, सेकंड भी है थर्ड भी है, बट नो, इट्स आल्सो हैव अ रूल. ये सेकंड वर्ब है या थर्ड वर्ब है, एक चीज ही आपको बतानी है. कैसे पता चलेगा? सी, हाँ जी, तो कभी भी जब भी कोई थर्ड वर्ब आएगी, थर्ड वर्ब के साथ हमेशा या तो हैज लगा होगा या हैव लगा होगा या हैड लगा होगा. देन इट विल बी थर्ड वर्ब. अगर इसके साथ हैज नहीं है, हैव नहीं है, हैड नहीं है, तो इट मींस इट्स अ सेकंड वर्ब. सपोज आई बॉट ए कार. देयर इज नथिंग. Not has, not have, not had. It means it's not a third verb. It's a second verb. I have bought a new car. Now tell me, what is the difference between these two sentences? I bought a car. There is nothing. Not a has, not a have, and not a had. That's why it's a second verb. But here is mentioned have. That's why it's not a second verb, it's only third verb. Now you understood this thing? See next. हाँ जी guys, तो in my previous video I told you that each and every tenses have three types, like positive, affirmative, positive or affirmative. Next is negative, and last is interrogative. Interrogative ends with question mark sign. So earlier we have discussed about this positive tense. Now we will discuss about negative. जब नहीं वर्ड आ जाता है, वह पत्र नहीं लिखेगा, तो आप लोग क्या यूज करोगे? will not और shall not plus same verb, first verb. तो with I and we you can use shall, and with others you may use will. If you want with all things you can use will. Like मैं पत्थर नहीं लिखूंगी, I. मैं पत्थर नहीं लिखूंगी, I shall or will. One thing you can use shall or will because it's a I. I will या shall not. मैं पत्थर नहीं लिखूंगी, I will या shall not write a letter. Okay. Next is वो बाजार नहीं जाएगा, वह बाजार नहीं जाएगा, वह ही के साथ आप लोग shall नहीं यूज कर सकते, so he will not. First verb is go. वह बाजार नहीं जाएगा, he will not go to market. Understood? Now we have completed our positive and negative. Now at last we will discuss about interrogative. See. In interrogative, we will use will or shall before subject plus first verb plus question mark at the end. Understood these things? Will or shall before subject plus first verb plus question mark at the end. क्या वह इस साल पास हो जाएगा? क्या वह, या ले लो, क्या मोहन इस साल पास हो जाएगा? तो क्या लिखेंगे पहले, क्या मोहन इस साल पास हो जाएगा? तो सबसे पहले अपना सब्जेक्ट क्या है, मोहन, तो मोहन के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे, विल मोहन, हाँ जी, तो पास होने की फर्स्ट वर्ब क्या होगी, पास, विल मोहन पास, क्या मोहन इस साल पास हो जाएगा, विल मोहन पास दिस ईयर. At last question mark sign because it's a interrogative. क्या से शुरू हो रहा है, क्या, कब, कहाँ, तो it's a interrogative. Will मोहन pass this year? हाँ जी. क्या वह पत्र लिखेगी, क्या वह पत्र लिखेगी, will she write a letter? Will she write a letter? हाँ जी, today we have completed our three tense. First was present indefinite, second was past indefinite, and third was future indefinite. Means simple present, simple past, and simple future. So at last, I want to make a table for you which will help you a lot. So see guys, see your table. हाँ जी, तो फर्स्ट वाज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, सेकेंड इज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, एंड लास्ट इज फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट. और यू मे कॉल देम सिंपल प्रेजेंट, सिंपल पास्ट एंड सिंपल फ्यूचर. तो इसकी रेखों के लिए मैंने आपको वर्ड बताए थे, ता है, ती है, ते हैं. इसकी रेखों के लिए मैंने आपको वर्ड बताए थे, ता थी, ते थे, ती थी, और आ, ए, ई, आ, ए, ई. वह बाजार गया, वह पास हो गई. तो अब हमने टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड its word for echo is ga, ge, gi. तो firstly positive और affirmative, positive, positive. तो here we will use he, she, it, any name same means any singular thing we will use first verb plus s or es. But with plural things like we, you, they, I, we will use only first verb. And here we will use in positive only second verb, whether it's singular, whether it's plural. And here we will use will, shall plus first verb. With I and we only shall, and with others we will use will. Is that clear? Now see, it's negative, negative and नेगेटिव. हाँ जी, तो इसकी नेगेटिव में हम क्या यूज कर रहे थे? डोंट एंड डजंट प्लस फर्स्ट वर्ब. तो इसकी नेगेटिव में हम क्या यूज कर रहे थे? डिडंट प्लस फर्स्ट वर्ब. पॉजिटिव में सेकंड यूज कर रहे हैं, पर नेगेटिव में फर्स्ट यूज कर रहे हैं. उसका रीजन क्या है? क्योंकि जो डिड है वो ऑलरेडी सेकंड वर्ब है. तो सेम इज हियर. फ्यूचर में हम लोग क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? विल नॉट, शैल नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट वर्ब. एंड यू नो दिस थिंग, विद आई वो इज शैल नॉट एंड विद अदर्स विल नॉट. नाउ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इज क्लियर. Here positive and negative is clear, and here also positive and negative is clear. At last it's interrogative. 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 हाँ जी, तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं? Use do, does before. You do use do or does before subject plus first verb plus question mark at the end. And here use did before subject plus first verb plus question mark at the end. And here use will, shall before subject plus first verb plus question mark at the end. Hansi, I really hope that after watching my video you have clear this concept, and in my next video we will discuss about present continuous. Thanks. Have a nice day.